Hello everyone. Welcome to the Financial Fix. Today, we are going to talk about a very serious topic. How hackers are using Chatgpt to steal millions. As you may already know, Chatgpt is a powerful language model developed by OpenAI. It uses deep learning algorithms to generate human-like responses to various prompts and questions. However, this technology has also become a weapon for hackers to carry out their nefarious activities. Hackers are using Chatgpt to create convincing phishing emails and social engineering scams. They use the model to generate authentic-looking messages that trick people to share their personal information, such as usernames, passwords, and credit card details. One of the most common methods used by hackers is known as spear phishing. In this method, the hacker sends an email to a specific target, pretending to be a trustworthy source such as a bank or a government agency. They then use Chatgpt to generate messages that appear genuine and convincing. Another way hackers use Chatgpt is through chatbots. They create chatbots that appear to be genuine customer service representatives or support agents. These chatbots are programmed to interact with users, asking them for sensitive information or directing them to phishing sites. So, how can we protect ourselves from these types of attacks? One of the most important things is to be vigilant and cautious when receiving unsolicited messages or emails. Always verify the sender's identity and never click on links or download attachments from unknown sources. Additionally, it's essential to keep our systems and software up to date with the latest security patches. This will help to prevent hackers from exploiting vulnerabilities in our systems. In conclusion, while Chatgpt is an incredible technology that has many positive uses, it's important to be aware of how hackers are using it to steal millions. By taking simple precautions and staying alert, we can protect ourselves from these types of attacks. Thank you for watching, and stay safe out there.